And Shadow Gameplay here.
I'm back here. And he's not Fidget spinning.
Who used this as a murder weapon?
And then John's Zero, that's right there.
Really?
Yeah, you should actually.
And behind him is Sky Baby, and his Fidget spinning.
And today we're gonna do a fidget spinner battle. So who's gonna be holding the camera is Sky Girl. Here you
And
go.
Sky Baby right here.
Alright, who am I supposed to face it on? Come on. No. Someone tell Crystal to come back over here. Hey.
You stand right there.
What if y'all tell Crystal to come back over here? I can't yell. Hey, what if y'all tell Crystal to come back over here?
Wait, what would Doofy for you?
As you can see, that's John Cena Eliza. You all up in the camera, move.
And so
While we're waiting, we're just gonna
Are you sure you want?
It's gaming.
Change for what? Where did y'all go?
well, we did that.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
And guys,
Hey, Cam. Now you see I wasn't lying when I said that Soraya might be here.
and guys, stay tuned for the people now they're gonna mention it now.
Alright, it's gaming is back. It's gaming back here. Alright, first I'm going against Studio 2.
Well, get back. 3, 2, 1.
What are y'all supposed to be doing now?
See who start.
Go Doofy. Go Doofy.
What in the world?
Go Doofy. Go.
Go Doofy.
Doofy's losing. No, you cheated!
He cheated.
My turn.
Yeah, that's your fidget spinner if
My
it
turn.
breaks.
Ready, set, go. No, let me do it.
Kristen, come here.
Better leave that.
No.
What?
You know it's still going, right?
It looks like his is slowing down.
The thing about your video is the background error.
Bruh, it looks like... Bruh, it looks like Kendall's is stopping on the video, but it's not. Just look at it. See?
It's going super, it's actually going faster, but
What the world? It's
Yeah,
going
it's slowing
faster,
down.
but like, I'm gonna show y'all. When y'all get the camera, just look at it.
It's slowing down.
oh, that's pretty
Oh yeah,
good.
oh yeah,
Look
guys.
at that. Look
Sorry
at
about my
that.
little angry issues, cause I always get angry all the time.
She's slowing down. Oh, he
Alright,
been
my turn.
It's my turn now. Somebody hold the camera.
Hey man, you was on my team.
Are you deleting the video?
Alright,
Hey,
I'm
hey,
going
hey.
against this gaming. 3, 2, 1.
How they both fell?
Stop! We both got it. I don't know.
Oh, that hurts. Stop.
Alright, 3.
3, 2, 1, go! Hi, Cam.
Alright, 3, 2,
Let's see who's winning.
Nobody can see.
3.
All right, it looks like.
No, we have to start that back there. 3.
Dang.
2, 1.
Go.
Ow!
I keep dropping it.
Oh, y'all stop.
2.
Wait, I need to clean my cap.
I keep dropping it.
Sorry, guys, I just need to clean my cap. My cap surface.
Says it's gaming dance.
Alright, 3, 2,
Try to go above it. Go above the thing sometimes.
How come this is fast?
Alright, who's slowing down?
I did the best.
Let's see who's winning.
Oh!
Listen, come here.
It's like the voice is slowing down, so.
Oh, mine is slowing down.
Oh, wait, so X Gaming is slowing down. Looks like Shadow Gameplay is gonna go for the win.
Am I slowing down?
Oh, shoot.
Oh, snap. Oh, snap.
I'm still going.
Alright, guys.
Come on. Come on. No.
Okay, so who's slow? Oh, X Gaming. He's about to stop. He's about to go to a stop. He's about to go to the stop. Oh. Who can it be? Who can it be? Shadow Gameplay!
Shadow Gameplay!
No one cares. No one cares. That's lame. No one cares.
Now going against John Cena Rising, which is somebody's gonna have to hold the camera. Ready? Set, ow!
I gotta get you back. Hold on. Hold on, he's the orange already. We got time's out. Anyway, this
Now
is
we're gonna actually do a fidget spinner.
so. This is all the people who doing the fidget spinning battle.
Oh, hey Kim!
If you enjoy,
Hit
that.
the like button down below, subscribe for more stuff like this. And if you want to see more Five Nights at Freddy's stuff, comment down below. Cause wait, I forgot to tell you guys. I quit the Five Nights at Freddy's season because we're gonna start back in. We're gonna start back in October.
all right.
The one that makes your tongue
Anyway,
I just did.
hope you enjoy fidget spinners, cause
Yeah,
I
if you
really
have
don't
one,
that
comment
much.
down
I just got it.
below.
Just I don't really like it.
Make sure you go ahead and go to the store and get a Batman one and a glow in the dark one.
Don't listen to him. Don't listen to him.
And then,
I can barely.
Hurry, let's just end the video.
alright,
So,
like always, peace out. Be a little bop, be a little.